Welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka Pezliz, and I'm actually streaming this live on twitch.tv/pezliz. My goal with In Printing Color, and of course with all the content that I create, is to empower people to learn, make, and share with confidence. Now, one of the first things that people love to print and are asked to 3D print when they start their 3D printing journey are dragons. Dragons are an amazing addition to the absolutely fantastic world of 3D printing. Some people really don't like dragons. Some people have issues with dragons. I have chosen to embrace them. I have not embraced the Benchy, but I definitely have embraced dragons. One of my favorite dragons to print is by Kekreations, and this is actually a finger puppet dragon. This is done in Polymaker's translucent rainbow gradient. Of course, you have to have more than one. So not only do I have the translucent rainbow, I have the satin rainbow gradient. And this is actually my stream's mascot. I think we named her Princess Felicity Shushu. But Kekreations is one designer that does absolutely gorgeous dragons. Not just hand puppets. She has ones that can drape around your neck. Ones that can actually accent your outlets. All kinds of fun stuff. But one of the queens, I would say the queen of the dragons, is Cinderwing. And Cinderwing makes absolutely gorgeous dragons. Now, one thing that people do when they're starting their 3D printing journey and print dragons is they print in materials that look absolutely gorgeous, but aren't well suited for little children and also people and pets and things that might kick them around. So I am here to sit on my 3D printing pulpit of In Printing Color and implore you, print dragons with Polymaker Panchroma Starlight filaments. Starlight filaments are perfect for dragons. They are the filament of dragons. If you take a look at how absolutely gorgeous, this is the Peacock dragon, how gorgeous is this with just a few color swaps. Of course, you can print with a gradient, choose your own adventure. You can make some of the most gorgeous dragons. And not only are they gorgeous, they're not going to break. They're absolutely fantastic because Starlight filament is a beautiful filament that has beautiful color effects depending on how the light hits it, and it is not a fragile filament. So let's take a look at our beautiful Starlight filaments and see what types of choices you have and why I call it the filament of dragons. Now I'm going to take you directly to the Starlight gradient filaments because these are brand new from Polymaker, and as you can see, the gradients are absolutely gorgeous. So we've got a rainbow, a purple red, a blue green, a blue purple, and a purple. So these are all different gradient shifts, and as you can see, for these there are different cycles of the gradient as well. So with the rainbow, it's a 160 gram cycle. So from the beginning of the first color to the end of the last color, that's 160 grams of filament. The Starlight purple is 100 grams. The blue green is 95. The purple red is 100, and the blue purple is 90 grams. And of course, with Starlight filaments, you have this amazing starlit effect that shifts in tone and brightness as the model moves, or of course light reflects from it. So it's absolutely gorgeous filaments. So let's take a closer look at some of these. We've got the Gradient Starlight Rainbow, which has some of the greatest hits of the Starlights. We've got the Starlight Purple, which is the various purple hued filaments. The blue-green, which has, believe it or not, the blue and green filaments. Purple-red, which I actually don't have yet. This one is really fun because you've got two really interesting color combos. Perfect for dragons, I think. And then we have the blue-purple. Now, if we take a look at the Starlight family, which I've showcased many, many times, the solid Starlight colors, so the non-gradient ones, as you can see, have the most gorgeous color finish. And as we said, depending on how the light hits it, it's absolutely fantastic. So we've got my personal favorites, which are Neptune and Pulsar. Starlight Pulsar, I just did an episode about absolutely gorgeous filament. Then we have Midnight, Mars, Twilight, Nebula. Then we have Aurora and Meteor, Comet, Jupiter, and Mercury. So all of these have very different color effects, as you can see here with the Mercury. We've got like turquoise and purple and silver and gray going on here. And then of course on the Midnight side of things, it's like this navy blue, this deep navy blue with purples and black even in there. Absolutely stunning colors. But this is excellent filament for dragons, and I'm going to prove it to you. Our friend Mimetics has absolutely gorgeous dragons, and his most famous dragon is the Basilisk. So this is, I believe it's a baby dragon, right? This I printed in Polymaker's beautiful purple blue gradient. And the really cool thing about the Basilisks from Mimetics is that they are snap fit. So you can actually position this dragon or this Basilisk to, have a bit of a personality. But the other cool thing is you can pop all of these joints after you snap them in. So it's super satisfying. And as you can see, super strong. So filament for dragons is something that you need to take seriously. And seriously, if you're looking at getting amazing color finish and durability, and also just like the most gorgeous tones, you're gonna look at Starlights. You need to look at the Starlight collection. Now, of course, Starlight is not just for dragons. I print lots of things with Starlights. I print practical prints. I actually just printed a whole bunch of MakerChip collectors. This is in the purple blue. So as you can see, depending on what you're printing, you're going to get to see more or less of the gradient. With the Peacock dragon, I actually did some fun color swaps. So I did some of the green-blue gradient. Then I just threw in a little bit of Starlight Jupiter. And then I went back in with the blue-purple. So just had some fun with this to get a nice little effect. But yeah, definitely consider printing with a really nice durable filament and have some fun with your dragons or your practical prints. And if you are attending a Rep Rap Festival, you definitely want this particular model, MakerChip Collector Capsule, to collect MakerChips at the events. I've actually just finalized my MakerChip for 2026. And we've got some beautiful Starlight Pulsar, some lime green, some neon magenta. And of course, we'll have the MakerChip video linked in this. But here we go. Collect your MakerChips, share your dragons, and of course, definitely try out all of the Polymaker Starlight filaments. This has been Imprinting Color. Happy printing!